Rufus boy, let me love boy, I just know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, I just know.
Hi guys, so I've been doing some skincare. I've been doing masks and stuff, but then something went wrong. I'm not sure what, but usually I use honey and sugar for my face, and then that's it, and it will be good. But this time I did turmeric flour and milk. I don't know if that's a bad combination or the turmeric I used, I'm just not like, it's just not for me. But after I used it, after a few days, I have this rush, guys. I don't know. Can you see the rush? This is the rush.
It's so bad. It's like all over my face. So,
And it's really itching. My whole face is just itchy. I don't know what to use. I've been trying to Google like stuff I can use. I don't know if I ate something I'm allergic to or it was the turmeric. So really, this is like gonna be an update of my skincare stuff. We're gonna find something that's gonna help me out. Peace. So I just came from buying Dove because I feel like it's gonna help. So I just got this. Yeah, let's see how it goes. This is day I don't know what, but I saw that my face was looking so clear, so I decided to show you guys. Though my face has like some discolorations, I really need something for that. Like you can see the parts that are, yeah. But anyway, the rash is gone. Good progress. See you tomorrow or the next day. I have exams now, so I might not do an update like that, but yeah. Hi guys, so I have a new product on my skincare now. My face doesn't have rush anymore. It's like gone. And I'm gonna start using this. Yeah, So yeah, I'm going to wash my face with Dove, as you all know, and then put the Vaseline and wash my face, and then we're done. So all dry, and now I'm gonna wash my face and then see you later. And I just finished. You guys can see that my face is actually really nice, like smooth. So now I'm going to moisturize, and then I'll see you guys in tomorrow, so we see if it's going to react or not. Hi guys, this is my skin after 2 months of doing everything in the video. I obviously didn't do it like every day, but I did it, and yeah. So that's how you get rid of Rash and stuff on your face. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe, share, tell a friend. We all need to be glowing this 2019. See you in my next video.